Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae, and today I am going to be doing makeup challenge. I am going to be doing random numbers, picks my makeup. Okay, great. So I already recorded a little clip of me picking my eyeshadow. Today we're doing a smoky eye, I guess. Yeah. I don't have you on my tripod right now, and you're sitting on my mirror, and we're not at the best angle. But I'm in the middle of making a TikTok, so I'm doing this just for a second. But today I'm gonna be doing the random numbers pick my makeup challenge. Yeah, paper, numbers. You get it? I think you get it. But I'm going to pick out 3 numbers, and those are the eyeshadows I'm going to have to use. Let's do this. I don't know why I sniffed it. I'm weird. Anyways, okay. Let's do this. Okay, I got 37. What are you? 20, and what was this one? And 23. Let's see what those are. These are the colors that I got. The universe obviously wants me to do a smoky eye, so got that brown, I got this black, and I got this deep purple. So we'll see what we can do with that. Oh yeah, and I did my brows off camera because I did. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer to prime my eyes. Okay, well first I'm gonna go on that black. I'm gonna pack that black on like a wing shape on the outer part of my eye. Now I'm gonna go into that deep purple shade and blend out that black. And now I'm gonna take that brown shade and blend out that purple. That's what I came out with. Take the tape off. What do you guys think? Like it? Don't mind that. I'll conceal it. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I finished this eye. Okay, now that I partially finished my eyes, because I still need to like add brow bone highlight and stuff in my inner corner and stuff like that, I'm going to go into face. So, yeah. Okay, I have 3 different primers to use. I have this e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. I have this e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And I have this L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. And now I am going to figure out which one I'm using. Numbers. Shake numbers. 2. 2 is the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. My favorite. So yay. Now I have 3 different foundations, and there's 3 papers in here. So let's figure out which foundation I'm using. Number 1 will be the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. Number 2 will be the Maybelline, and number 3 is the BR. I don't like this foundation. Number 3. Great. BR foundation stick. It creases. That's why I don't like it. Oh, and this is in the shade Porcelain. Foundation's done, and now I'm gonna go into concealer. I have 5 different concealers. I have this Too Faced one, the one I always use. This e.l.f. one, I don't necessarily use this because it's too dark for me. It's AOA Studio concealer. Oh, I got this Maybelline one, and I got this L'Oreal one. Then, and I'm just gonna pick one, and I got number 3. Number 3 is the AOA Studio one, so that's the one I'm gonna go on with. Before I blend out my under eyes, I need to pick a powder because right after I do that, I'm setting my underneath my eyes. I have 3 different powders. I have this AOA Perfect Setting Powder, this Maybelline Fit Me, and this Coty Airspun. Okay. And I got the Maybelline one. Got number 2. I'm gonna go in with that setting powder now. I look a little pale. I look really pale, but okay. For bronzers, I have 2. I have this WetnWild contour palette, but still bronzer, and this Rimmel Radiance Brick multi-tone shimmer bronzer. So we'll see. This is the weirdest thing. I only have 2 papers in here. I'm just gonna grab one. Well, it's number 2, which thank you, because this is number 2. I didn't tell you guys, but this was 1. This is 2. And I got number 2. It's good because I'm extra pale right now. Now that that is done, I'm going to go on to blush. And I do have a good couple blushes. Okay. This will be number 1, which I really love this blush. I don't even think they sell this anymore. This is extremely old. It's like a glowy pink glowy blush. Whatever, but it's really, really pretty. I have this orange one. I have this like red one. It's not red, but like berry kind of. I don't know what to call it. The pan's falling out, but I have that one. And I have this blush palette, which is 3 different blushes and 1 highlight. We got this one. What is this? We have 6. That doesn't even go with the look. Hey, Maybelline! Which is this Maybelline blush palette and this purple one right there. Okay, so I have a good couple highlighters. I have this Artist Couture and Illuminati. I have this Wet-n-Wild and Golden Flower Crown Wet-n-Wild Blossom Glow, Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, Profusion Luminizer 1 palette, and this AOA Mousse highlighter in the shade Lucky. So, yeah, let me count up how many highlighters that is. 15 highlighters. Okay, and I got this one. This one is 15. And that's the shade Lyra. Wait, is it? Yeah, that's the shade Lyra out of the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Back in with the James Charles palette. Going with that black. Now I'm gonna go in with that deep purple. And now I'm gonna blend out those shades with that brown. This is what my makeup's looking like. I think I need something, the eyes. I think I need some rhinestones. What do you guys think? Okay, first I'm gonna put on mascara. I'm using this WetnWild Mega Wear mascara. I'm gonna throw in a black eyeliner too. And now, I wish I had even smaller rhinestones, but I don't. I'm just gonna glow on a couple. Now I'm gonna go on some lashes. Okay, so I have 5 different lashes, but I have these ones. Then I have ones from my brand. These are in the style Innocence, and another one in the style or whatever, and in the style Flutter. So let's see which lashes I'm gonna be using. shake these up. Hopefully I get number 1. That's the one I wanted to use, but we'll see. And I grab one. Style 5. Those are cute too. They'll work. About to glow on these lashes now. Yeah. Okay, boom. Lashes are on. Now I chose 5 different lipsticks. I have a red one, 2 nudes, but one's a stick and one's a liquid lipstick. I have a berry one and black. We'll see which one we get. Let's pick one. I'm hoping I get a nude, but if I don't, whatever. Got 4. I got a nude. 4 is this Milani matte lipstick in the shade Innocence. This lipstick isn't bad, it's just a little patchy. I'm gonna add something over it. I'm not cheating. I am cheating. I'm lying, I'm cheating. But I'm gonna find a shade similar that I have. I found a shade similar enough, and it was this Rimmel Matte Kate lipstick in the shade 40. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click that bell to be notified every time I post a video. Follow me on all my social medias. I love you guys so much. Bye.